Now we're ready to start capturing images, which starts by tapping onto this plus icon. QromaFlip is designed to look for rectangularly shaped objects such as your photos and will draw a green box around them when it finds one. Try to place your photos on a static background and avoid any strong overhead lights that may cause a glare. When the box is around the image, tap onto this red capture button. Now, don't worry if the photo isn't perfectly cropped because we're going to fix it in the next step. From this screen, I can drag around these corners to get a perfect crop. Now this one looks pretty good, so I'm just going to tap Next. Now I'm going to flip the image over and repeat the process. Now, because the back of this card is similar in color to my table, I'm going to check the corners to make sure I got a good crop. Once this is done, I'm going to be taken to this tagging screen. Now, if I want to, I can just tap the Save button and I'll get a really nice high quality multi-page TIFF, but there won't be any metadata tags embedded into it, so it might be hard to find it years from now. What I'm going to do is use QromaFlip's voice recognition engine to describe where and when this photo was sent, and that description will be embedded into my image. I start by tapping onto this microphone icon. This dialog appears and I give a brief description. Now, I try to describe the photo using the date, the location, and the people that are in the photo. When I'm done, QromaFlip detects the pause in my voice and tries to recognize the text. So here's the text that QromaFlip recognized and embedded as a description. We were also able to detect the date and the location inside the description and created the metadata tags automatically. Now all I have to do is tap onto Save to store this as a multi-page TIFF on my phone and send it to my cloud provider. So there it is. If I swipe up and down, I can see both pages. Now, since I have iCloud turned on, I can see this image almost immediately on my computer by going to the iCloud Drive folder, then opening up the Images folder in the QromaFlip directory. Here is the image with all of the searchable metadata embedded into it. So that's really it. In a minute or so, you can make a multi-page TIFF just like this one and preserve both sides of your photos.